If you are an Apple user from a long time, you must be aware of this problem, damaged lightning cable. So, hey, what's up guys, iSaurabh here. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your damaged Apple lightning cable and prevent it from break in near future. You need a transparent sellotape, a scissor, a Fevikwik or any strong glue, a measuring scale, and a white paper. First, cut white paper into pieces. The measurement of first piece of paper will be 5 into 2.5 centimeters, and the measurement of second piece of paper will be 5 into 3 centimeters. Now fold both papers into two equal parts as shown in the video. Now put some glue on damaged end of lightning cable. Now stick first piece of paper on the wire. Again put some glue on paper and wire and stick it. Now roll the paper on wire carefully. It must be tight. Now stick tape at the end of the paper. Now roll the paper and tape. Cut the tape after rolling it 2 times around the wire. Now put some glue on upper damaged part of the wire. Do the same previous process. Stick second piece of paper. Put some glue on paper and wire. Roll the paper on wire. Cut the unequal part of paper. Stick tape at the end of paper. Roll the paper and tape. Cut the tape after rolling it 2 times around the wire. You must make sure that the rolled paper is tight. That's all. Now your lightning cable is much stronger than before. Now it also looks premium and clean. This method will prevent it from damage. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Peace.